Rage on that beat, going crazy. Rage on that beat, going crazy.
day 2 of us doing a different hairstyle every single day of the week.
Of 1 week. That's just this week. We're going to do a hairstyle on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Now, we did a Monday hairstyle. If you haven't seen that video, we put it up. Tomorrow is Tuesday. So this hairstyle is going up for Tuesday. And then on Wednesday, Charlie's going to do her own hair. She was going to do it on Friday, but you know what? So let's switch it to beginning of the week. So she's doing it on Wednesday now, guys. So Wednesday, Charlie is going to do her own hair. And Charlie wants to make it like it's a competition because she wants to say like her hairstyle going to be the best of the week or whatever. But okay.
It is. It's okay.
It's okay.
Admit it.
Okay, well, we shall see. Okay. If it is, I'll give you your credit. What?
I was watching my old videos and I look so different.
You look different? Because you're younger.
I wonder who been here since then.
Since
I was like 3.
I think you were about 3 or 4 when we did your first video. That's a long time. Yeah. Guys, if you've been here that long, comment. And also
put a red heart if you've been here that long.
Oh, that's cute. But anyways, guys, don't forget we're going to be going live in 2 weeks. So in 2 weeks we're going live. So stay tuned and put it in your calendar. Bring your kids, let them sit right beside you because it's going to be a grand old time.
Yeah, and guess what I'm doing? So we're going to play Roblox. And I'm going to turn my joins on where everybody will be able to join me in my private server.
Okay.
Play a game.
Of Roblox. So you think we want to play Roblox?
Yeah, we're going to play Roblox. That's the best game.
Okay, well, we shall see. Okay, guys, this is...
It might be just like a kickback, and we sit there.
And we're going to talk. We're going to have Q&A and all that good stuff. You asking your questions. We may show some pictures, all those things. Who knows? We may do a couple of things on that day. But as of now, stay focused, okay?
Very focused.
Okay, as of right now, we're going to end the video on this note. This is her with the rollers in her hair. In the morning when we wake up for school, we're going to come back on camera and take them out. And then girlfriend's going to go to school. And that would be day 2. And then she's going to do her hair for Wednesday. And then, guys, you will see us do a recording of that. And we're going to post that as well. Again, we're going to end the video right now. Charlie?
Wait. I have a question.
Okay, what's your question?
Am I able to do my hair Wednesday and Friday?
No, you're doing one hairstyle, girl. You ain't that good, boo.
Yeah, if I do good.
You're not that good, boo. You're going to get one hairstyle Wednesday.
If I do good.
Oh my goodness, if you do good on Wednesday, you still won't get another hairstyle. Okay?
No.
You do Wednesday. Stop it. Wednesday. Okay, go ahead.
How about the people vote for it? Do you guys think I should be able to do my hair Wednesday and Friday? If you do,
vote in the comments.
Vote it in the comments. If you think I should only do my hair Wednesday, vote that in the comments.
Okay, I'll give it to that. I'll give that. Now, if nobody votes, that's it. That's it for you.
No, if nobody votes, then I won. Goodbye.
Rage on that beat, going crazy.